Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm very excited to share with you guys because I found a $10 dupe for the Fenty Diamond Bomb, you guys. When this first launched, I was not into it. I was not excited, and then I went to Sephora and I swatched it. Then I was a goner. I was thinking about it nonstop for months, and then eventually Sephora had I think they sent me a 20% off coupon or something like that, so I jumped at the chance to try this product. This product retailed for $38. This is pretty expensive. And the packaging is beyond stunning on this product, you guys. I sometimes just stare at this packaging. It has a beautiful kind of mirrored packaging, but then it has these little glitter flecks in the mirror. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to tell on camera, but it is gorgeous. And then you open up the inside. It's again beautiful. And then here's the product. It's kind of a putty type consistency, but when you swatch it, it's just this pure silvery white glitter. Oh, it's beautiful, you guys. It is so much fun. But at $38, that's a pretty steep price point for a product that is definitely only a special occasion product for me. Personally, I don't want to wear glitter as a highlighter every single day of my life, but $10 is another story. So the $10 dupe that I found is from e.l.f. and it is in their Glow Gleam palette. Now this is a fairly new palette that e.l.f. released. It comes with 6 different highlighters. These ones I believe are their metallic highlighters. These ones are their shimmer highlighters, and then this little one right here, this is the one we're talking about today. This one is a glitter, you guys, and it is the exact same thing as the Fenty one. Watch, I just swatch it. Glitter, 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 glitter. Straight up glitter. So I am going to do some comparison swatches, and I think I'm going to try to do them out in natural light. I'll have to go outside and do that, but I will insert those right here so you guys can really see them side by side. These are so similar, you guys. So I did want to apply them on camera for you to really show you them in action. I'm going to apply the Fenty one to this side of my face and the e.l.f. one to this side of my face. Like I said, these are absolute straight up glitter, so I'm not even going to bother trying to apply these with a brush. I wouldn't apply this one with a brush, so I'm not going to apply the e.l.f. one with a brush. I'm just simply going to use my middle finger, which I have cleaned off on my little makeup eraser, so there's no transfer, there's no switching the products. So I'm just going to go in with my middle finger, swirl it around there, get some glitter on there, and then I'm simply going to tap this on my cheeks. Look at that glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glitter glow. It's beautiful. It's such a fun product. And this one is extremely versatile as well. You can put it on your eyes, you can put it on your cheeks, you can put it on your lips. I'm going to put a little bit of this on my lips, just on this side of it. Also, I think I said the wrong side. I think I said I was going to do Fenty over here, but Fenty's over here. But there's that on that side of my lips. This gloss is pretty shiny, so you can't really tell a difference, but it does function really well on there and also on the eyes. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Next, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Did wipe my finger off on my little makeup eraser. This thing is a lifesaver, you guys. And I'm just going to do little rubs on this one. I feel like this one does not feel quite as creamy as the Fenty one. The Fenty one is just a little bit smoother almost. Look at that, you guys. I feel like I need a little bit more of the e.l.f. one, whereas dipping into the Fenty one, I did that little swirl and I was good for my face. I feel like the e.l.f. one is maybe a little teeny bit less glittery, but you can obviously build it up for a more impactful finish. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little bit of the e.l.f. one on my lips, just like I did with the Fenty one. I think they look identical, you guys. Absolutely identical. So if you've been wanting to try the Fenty Diamond Bomb out, but you don't want to shell out the $38, I don't blame you. I wouldn't have done it unless it was on sale. Grab this little e.l.f. palette. I'm still testing out the rest of the shades in here. I've really only focused on this one so far because I wanted to film this dupe video and get it up for you guys because this is such an incredible dupe. I want to shout it from the rooftops. But this will be in my review roundup video. I've gotten some new products in lately and I really wanted to review them for you guys, so I'm going to do kind of a review roundup video probably in a couple weeks, kind of discussing my opinions on all the new stuff that I've gotten, and this will be in there, including the other shades. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. It's a very short video, but I was just really excited and I wanted to get this dupe out there for you guys. There's not really a whole lot else to say about this dupe. I mean, I'm gonna call a spade a spade. These are absolute dupes for each other. The savings is absolutely tremendous. This is a $28 savings if you buy this one and you get 5 of the highlighters. Like, what else could you really ask for? I really hope that you guys are as excited about this dupe as I am. Leave me a comment down below letting me know, do you own the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb? Do you use it a lot? What's your favorite way to use it? Are you going to pick up this e.l.f. palette? Let me know down below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. I respond to every single one of my comments. And that's going to wrap this up for me, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!